Your organization deserves that video that, in a few short minutes, shows exactly who you are and what you do. But how do you craft it? You ask. First, internally. Pick out a few key players within your organization and use an online survey tool like Google Forms. Put together a handful of questions like, what is most important to our organization? Why did you choose to join? And what did you see as our mission? And simply ask. Next, ask externally. You need to understand the people that you intend to speak to and what resonates with them. Pick out a dozen or more of your supporters and ask about their values and impression of your group. You'll be blown away by the insights that these answers will provide. Now, the easy part. Craft your video about who you are and what you do based on these answers. You'll get a powerful video that genuinely reflects and furthers your mission. Get more mission-driven marketing tips at 100foldvideo.com and let us help you to grow your outreach with video.